So it has finally arrived. Through NPS, I got my Nikon 180 to 600, and we're just going to unwrap it and see how it looks. Sure is a lot of extra packaging. Wrapped in bubble wrap. So here we are. Here's the box, the 180 to 600. Now, I've been waiting for this lens for probably, I don't know, 2 years now. It's been on the roadmap for longer for the Nikon Z series lenses. I never thought it would actually appear. So let's see what we got in the box. Well, here's the lens hood. 95mm lens hood. Yeah, you know, typical lens hood. Smells like crayons. It's got the little clicker on it, like how the 70 to 200 lenses have, so that's nice. It's not really a bayonet that can fall off super easy. Just a really big lens cloth, I guess. And I apologize if the audio isn't the best or the video isn't the best. We just got back from driving 7 hours home on vacation for a week, so it's been a very long day. Well, I guess that's the manual. Not going to read that. It's a lens, nothing special about a lens. Warranty card. See, this is what's kind of annoying though. It's kind of sad. Nikon used to give you 5-year warranty for a lot of things on lenses. Now you only get a 1-year warranty on lenses. So last I knew, could be wrong, Sigma and Tamron were offering 5-year warranties on their lenses still. So maybe they're not doing that anymore, but last I heard they still were. Okay, so let's get the lens out. Also wrapped in bubble wrap. Okay, so here we go. Oh, much nicer lens foot than I was expecting. It's got 2 different sized holes, threaded holes, as you can see. But that is a much bigger, nicer grip than what I'm used to. Programmable buttons all the way around. It's only one button, so whenever you rotate your camera, you at least have access to the same button. Pinch lens cap. Pristine clean. Got a piece of plastic here on the switches. Got a little spot if you want to put a tether on there. Loosen this so you can rotate it. To get it off, you loosen it all the way and then just clamshells open. Doesn't have any weird indents on it from the collar. Doesn't look too bad without the collar. Oh, look at that. This lens says it was made in China. So that's kind of unexpected to me, but I mean, it's whatever, nothing I can do about that. I was expecting Taiwan or Japan or somewhere else, but whatever. And it says the minimum focus distance is 1.3 meters or 4.27 feet. Put the collar back on here. Now, this is obviously not an S lens, but I think it looks pretty darn nice. Put it on and see how that looks. Doesn't feel as heavy as I was expecting since it's an internal zoom lens. See, look at that. Check it. That's all it takes. 180 to 600. That's crazy. Like no turn whatsoever. Take the hood off, press down on the button. The edge of the lens has a little rubber gasket, so you can put it face down. The hood itself does not have any rubber on the outside though. Not a huge deal, just something to point out. This is what I will be using going forward. And this is what I have been using for about almost 7 years. So here we have the Sigma 150-600 Contemporary on the F mount. It currently has the FTZ adapter on it. And as you can see the difference, whenever it's at 180 millimeters, 3/4 of an inch or so in height, length, whatever you want to call it. To make it a fair comparison, we'll put the Contemporary's lens foot on real quick. Now I have an aftermarket Kirk plate on here, so it's ARCA compatible on the Sigma. The Nikon is not ARCA compatible at all, so you're going to have to put a plate on there, which isn't a big deal. Let's put this one over here, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I'll put a longer one on. Maybe I won't put anything on there, because I use lens rails now, and I don't really use ARCA on the lens. So yeah, 180, and then we'll zoom this out to 600. Then you can see the Contemporary is much, much taller, but the Contemporary has a lot more switches on it. So on the Nikon, you only got autofocus and manual. Then you have your full distance and infinite to 6 meters. Kind of an interesting build here, but this is going to be so much nicer to carry around than this. Yeah, super excited. Can't wait to try this thing out. And then soon enough, I'm going to do a video comparing these two lenses, pros, cons, statistics, focusing speeds, sharpness, all that jazz. So please subscribe to the channel and check that out when it's ready. On Monday, we're going to the Cleveland National Air Show, and I will be taking the new 180-600 with me. And then after the show, I'm going to do a little montage video and do some pixel peeping on the, the images I get off of it, to see how sharp it feels compared to the old Sigma that I've had for about 6 or 7 years. And then eventually this Sigma is going to go on eBay, and I think currently I'm probably going to sell it around $700, $750, because I do have the Sigma dock to sell with it as well. So if you're interested in buying my Sigma, please send me an email. My email contact information is down below in the description. I am just, I'm so excited about this. Like, this is going to be the bee's knees. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below what your expectations are of the new lens. My Apache case just fell over. And I'll see you next time. Happy shooting out there. I'll see ya.